Who doesn't love a fun bob? Or, I don't know, kind of a French bob with the way the bangs work on this. This is a cute one. This is one that immediately I was like, okay, it's fun, it's sassy, it fills all the check marks on that. And it's just very, they call it medium density, but it's really, as you can see, it's really, it feels more like a low density to me, maybe a little bit more here in this area. There's no permatease up here. You have a mono hand-tied top right here. This whole area is mono, which means you can part it wherever you want to up here to find scalp appearance. So I love that. And of course, I kind of like this whole French bang look of bringing it over to the sides. I'm going to be honest with you, this little bit right here, I clipped it a little bit, just a tiny bit, just enough to fill in like right there lightly. But this is, you're going to be able to wear it to the side, from the right to the left. You're going to be able to really calm it down if you really want it to look very low density. I've seen some ladies wearing this, and yeah, a lot of them are really toning it down by, you know, combing it and having it close to the head like that. And that's one way to do it. So I'm going to turn around. I don't know what it's going to look like in the back, but let's check, because I don't have a mirror behind me, but let's check it out. So the side and the back. So lots of fun, kind of beachy, choppy, beachy waves, right? Kind of a wolf cut thing going on, a textured shag, whatever you want to call that. So, but get your fingers in there when you get it out of the box, and you're going to want to, what we say, zhuzh it up. Just get in there, get your fingers in there. I like to just get in there on my wigs, pixie or whatever they are. I like to wake the fibers up down by the wefting and by that mono, because I just feel like it starts to make the fibers separate and then look more natural, more like movement or flow to it. And this one, I think, just is super cute. I love this color, blonde. This color is called Sunlit Blonde. And so you have a very light rooting. I mean, it's brown, but see how it transitions into this blonde so nicely? It's not that dark demarcation of a root to color. I think it's very natural, like you spent lots of hundreds of dollars to get the perfect, right, colorist to do that, which for someone like me, I used to have to go every 3 weeks. So do the math. I think wigs are cheaper in the long run than trying to get your hair colored all the time. And of course, my hair is silver white. So as soon as I colored my hair, whatever color, blonde, brown, dark blonde, red, within 3 weeks, I had a white stripe down the center of my head. So yes, I love wigs. I think they're fun. I think they're fashionable. If you know me, I want to show you a little bit of this cap. Is that I have white hair. I went very premature white when I was late 20s. And after that, just always had white hair. And then, of course, it went really thin. And see, it's amazing how a wig is like instant, I don't know, age defying, because it kind of takes you back to your hair of your youth. So I think it's always, I love my silvers and I love my grays, but I certainly love a great wig like this. So let me kind of show you here the difference. And this has that hand-tied mono, but see how it has a silicone across the front? Because the bangs come down. So instead of that felt that most of them has, this has that silicone, which is really great as a gripper. I have this head cap on, mainly because I don't want you to look at my hair, my bio hair, and it looks neater this way to show. But that silicone actually acts as a grip on your skin. So you don't get that, just like inside of this, underneath it, there's like a strip of silicone that keeps this from moving around. So yeah, and then you've got the felt here that acts like a grip to your bio hair. And then it has the felt nape and the Velcro adjusters, and it has a here the metal stays inside the ear tab is really strong. It feels, you know how sometimes they just feel really thin. This is it's thicker and very strong. So with the open wefting in the back for breathability, I just think it's a great wig. I just love the look. Let's put it back on so you can see for yourself. This is Estetica, and this is called Hollis, Hollis. Comes in a lot of fun colors. You need to check it out. Estetica recently launched this along with 3 other really cuties that I'm going to do in separate videos. So be sure, I'm going to load them this week, just one day and the next day and the next day, so that you can also see Summer and Frankie and Jagger. And, you know, after I do this, I might combine it, make it one video. But I have a short that I'll link to this because you can see all 4 of them together real quickly. You don't see the back, it's just photographs. And I wanted to do a full review so you could see everything about this adorable Hollis and just how cute she is and comfortable. She's comfortable. So you need to check her out. I will leave details down below and a link. I have product shopping, so in all of my videos, when you first open the video or short, right in the bottom, you're going to see a place, a little shopping type of thing. That's all the details on this particular wig I'm showing in the video, or if there's 6 wigs in the video, I have all 6. You just tap it, and then the way you can go straight away and go see what are the details, the links, the size, the fiber. This is High Heat Defiant, so this is their their Heat Defiant collection. So you can do a lot with this. If you wanted to get more curl in it and you wanted more curl, you could. If you wanted to straighten it out, so kind of like just a fringy type of a shag, you could do that. So there's a lot you can do with this one. It's Heat Defiant. And you know what I like about this? Because today I'm shooting in a room where I'm using lights, ring lights. I do have a window here bringing in some daylight. That's the difference between Heat Defiant and regular synthetics. Heat Defiant, reason why a lot of us love these fibers is that they look very realistic, not heavy on the shine, where your regular synthetics do get a little bit shinier, especially if they're white, silver, gray, and blondes. Sometimes have a little bit more shine to it. Now they don't get the frizz to it, but if you take good care, if you take a wide tooth comb and every time you take this, do this through the day, especially in the back of the nape, and just start at the bottom, work your way up like that, just work your way up and come through it just like you would your bio hair. Don't you, on your normal hair, comb it through the day and to get out any tangles and to kind of straighten it back up again? We'll do the same thing on your wigs. Yeah. Use a wide tooth comb and just go through and start at the bottom always and then work your way up. And that will get it so that if you get into a tangle and you pull and pull and pull, guess what you're doing? You're going to make it corkscrew and it's going to get that curly Q in it. And then you need to use your heat tools on it. So you can use heat tools in this. Another reason why I like these shorter, this length of wig a lot of times is because it doesn't rub against things and get all that friction. And so you don't end up having to use heat on it really hardly at all. A little bit longer ones, yes, but still if you practice every day, when you take it off, comb it out, put some detangler on it, refresher, use good products for wigs that are going to help you maintain your wig to last a really long time. And then you're going to find that having one and multiple wigs is a really good investment for speed of getting ready. If you have frozen shoulders, it takes away that. All kinds of reasons to get a wig. Medically, of course. Age-wise, of course. But then let's just do it because we love fashion. We love a new blouse, a shirt, a pretty necklace. We want our nails done. We want a new pair of shoes, a new pair of jeans. So why not let a wig be a part of your fashion ensemble? So today I'm wearing Hollis as a part of my fashion ensemble. So Check it out, link below, and I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.